You see a faded sign at the side of the road.